Freaking this plane, bro. I ain't done this in forever.
Wow. Wow.
Hey guys, you see me do the board to board switch? But I'm bringing it to another level. We got 4 one wheels lined up right here, and I'm gonna get it all in one go. Let's get it. Oh, that's one. Oh, shoot.
The aftermath.
And that's the board to board challenge. 4 one wheels in a row, man. Let's go. Hey, y'all voted. Let's get some pine tricks. I want to see this. All right, let's get it.
What? Oh. You already going to the shove it?
Oh, I did.
You did it. You got it. That's awesome.
That's a 2-track. Oh,
bruh.
That would have been sick.
Oh, nice. That was nice. That's it. Dude, that was it, bruh. Nice.
Oh, that.
Nice.
Dude, I love the pine, dude. That was good. Because the GT throws on a brake when you don't have the thing activated.
What?
Throws on a brake, it gets it to stop.
Oh, does
but
it?
the pine keeps going.
The pine keeps going, yeah. The OG pine.
Yeah.
Nice. Do that again this way to my face of me. Oh, nice. All right, go ahead.
Oh,
That's
it makes it so much easier with the pine.
It's way possible.
To do that.
Yeah.
Pine is so much easier.
Well, imagine if they come out with a trick board.
It would have to be like a pine, right?
Yeah.
OG pine.
A little bit bigger, like an XR.
OG pine style, a little bigger though.
Yeah.
Because
you know it's gonna be a nice finished board.
Freaking this pine is awesome. I ain't done this in forever.
Battery. Wow. Wow. Oh, dude.
Put the timer.